In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money with your Telegram group. Now, the first way is getting a subscription fee for your premium content. And you can just create a private group and charge people a fee to join your group and to access your content. And your content should be top-notch to convince people to pay to join your group. The second sure way to make money with your Telegram group is in doing affiliate marketing. And you just need to use affiliate programs on businesses to sell their products or services and earn a commission. And you can just include your affiliate links or codes on your group profile or on your posts. Another sure way to make money with your Telegram group is selling your own products or services. And there's so much you can sell, including physical products and digital products, or even over consultation or security tasks or jobs. And you just need to post your products or services on your group or direct your group members to where they can buy or access the products or services. The next sure way to make money with your Telegram group is in doing sponsored content. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services through influencer marketing. And you can just make posts about the brand, product or service, or mention the brand, product or service on your group profile. And there's also crowdfunding as another sure way to make money with your Telegram group. And this involves asking your group members for monetary support or donations. And you can also take your group content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money with your Telegram group include getting a share of the Telegram ad revenue, completing challenges and contests for pay, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, creating and selling Telegram usernames, and collaborating with top Telegram groups to boost your group and earnings. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Telegram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.